Hi pre-K class, this is Mr. Moseley with Miss who? Miss Hannah, yeah, Miss Hannah Weston, my granddaughter. And we're going to teach you some letters today, right? Some letters and pictures and sounds, right? A lot of you have seen some of these today. We're going to we're going to get them all in today. So some of them are a little new. You tired already? Yeah, all right. How about you help me out with these? Here we go. Here, let's do the first one. Go ahead.
A, apple, A.
Ooh, A, apple, A.
B, bear, B.
B, bear, ba.
C, cat, cat.
C, cat, k.
D, duck, D.
D, duck, d. Good.
E, elephant, ah.
A.
I just say
I know that's a tough. It's not ah. It's a A. E, elephant, A. How about this one?
F, fish.
F, fish. Good.
G, go, go.
G, go, g.
Well, in my book I say.
Yes, I know, but we're not talking about your book. We're doing these, and we'll do your book on another day. All right? What's this one?
H, horse.
H, horse.
Mommy, I want to
Here we go.
horse.
Let's go.
I, igloo, A.
I, igloo, I. Let's do the next row. That's a jacket.
J, jump, jump.
J, jacket, J. Try again.
J, jacket, J.
Good. And this one?
K, kangaroo,
K, kangaroo, K.
L, lion, L.
L, lion, L.
M, moon,
M, moon,
N, nest, N.
N, nest,
O, octopus, ah.
O, octopus, ah.
P, pencil, P.
Good. P, pencil, P.
Q, quilt, qu.
Good. Q, quilt, qua.
O, bunny,
Rabbit.
rabbit,
R, rabbit.
raw.
Good.
C, sun,
S.
S, sun,
Good. S, sun, S.
T, tiger, T.
T, tiger, T. Remember this one? U.
U, umbrella,
Like you get hit in the stomach. Oh! You're gonna try it. Ready again. U, umbrella, oh! V.
V,
Van.
van,
W.
W, watch,
What?
wa.
Good.
X, fox,
X. X, fox, X.
Y, yo-yo,
Ya.
yeah.
Y, yo, yo, ya. And the last one?
Z, zebra, z.
Z, zebra, Z. There's our letters. Our alphabet. Great job.